Hi, my name is Pulane Ramotso. I'm the founder of the R Art and Craft. I started business of recycling bottles in 2016 because I was recycling the bottles and I saw the recycling. It's an impact in the community. So I started recycling the bottles and do the art on the bottles, and I took the can tap caps and then I do the bracelets. The service we offer the bracelet and the bottles for decoration in the house. Get hold of me on Facebook. On Facebook, my page is the R Art and Craft, and my personal Facebook page is Pulane Ramotso. On Instagram, I'm Pulane Ramza. On WhatsApp, it's 0677819476. Hi, my name is Pulane and I'm a township entrepreneur.